Can you hear that noise? We turn the monitor off. Stops. Gone. I turn the monitor on again. Well, the pictures come back on. What the hell is that? Well, Andrew is popping round later. Is it the monitor on the way out? I checked at the back. The plug's pushed in on the computer. Andrew said, honestly Dad, the problems you get problems that nobody else does. I said, well, I held the phone up to the monitor. I said, can you hear it? He says, yeah, I can. And you can probably hear it. I'm sure you can. So what the hell is it? Andrew said, turn your computer off. Well, I turned it off earlier and I come back up from bingo and you can hear the noise. He ain't got a monitor, but he says they're quite cheap. I should be able to order one from Amazon, and I can access Facebook with my iPhone. So what is that noise? Any suggestions? Hey? Tell me. Oh, look at it.